for meeting me for the first time. And I have been a registered dietitian for over 30 years. Maybe you've seen me on my public television show called Zonya's Health Bites, or maybe you've been cooking from my Lickety Split Meals cookbook or my Eat Real cookbook, or maybe you've attended a course with me through your Worksite or on your own, or maybe this is our first time meeting. Either way, I'm so excited you're here. We're going to talk about why it's so darn hard to stay healthy in a culture that's anything but. It's hard. It's hard to stay healthy in a culture that's anything but. I'm going to show you why, if you have ever wondered, why can't I fit in my clothes? I'm going to show you that it's not your fault. Woo, yeah, isn't that nice? Yeah, yeah. I'll coach you through my sensible nutrition and exercise habits with weekly goal setting and support the entire way, setting you up for your best year yet.
I love it, and it's changed my life. I'm down 30 pounds. My cholesterol's down, I believe, like 20 points, like in just since July.
Want to lower your cholesterol? Got it. Drop your blood pressure? Got it. Control your blood sugar? Got it. Lose weight short term? Nope. Lose weight for good? Got it. It will be interactive with supportive problem solving, so together we'll blow through any obstacles that have ever derailed you before.
Has been an absolute game changer. You know, I've been able to stay off of the obese charts ever since.
And we can still live in the United States where we have plethora of good food, plethora of tempting bad foods. We can learn to navigate that scene. And that's my job, is to help empower you to navigate that scene in so many ways.